Hi there, Daisy here, back with another financial insight. Ever come across Class A and Class B stocks and wondered what sets them apart? Let's break it down. Companies sometimes issue different classes of stocks to differentiate the voting rights and dividends of their shareholders. 1. Class A stocks often come with more voting rights, so if you hold Class A shares, you might have a more significant say in company decisions. They might also have preferential treatment when it comes to dividends, meaning they could get a higher dividend compared to other classes. 2. Class B stocks typically have fewer voting rights. In some cases, they might even have none at all. But here's the catch. Class B shares are often the ones that company insiders own because they usually come with a higher claim on the company's assets and earnings. It's essential to read the company's bylaws, as the specifics can vary widely. For instance, in some companies, Class B might have the enhanced voting power instead. So, before investing, always know the type and class of stock you're considering. It can make a difference in how much control and income you'll have from that investment. Keep tuning in for more financial tips. Take care.